video. Today we are going through Lose by One Hour. We just went through the second chorus in our Kpop Dance Workshop in Arizona. As you can see, it was a lot of fun. The dance moves are not that fast compared to other K-pop songs, but the choreography itself was pretty intense, has a lot of details, so we had a lot of fun learning the song. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna go through step by step for the second chorus, and at the end of the tutorial, we're gonna try with the actual music, so hopefully you guys can join me. Also, before we start, I'd like to announce to you guys that we have the in-person Kpop Dance Workshop in Arizona every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 to 9 p.m. We also offer a free live workshop on a Facebook group called the Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop, and that opens to any levels and ages. So whoever loves K-pop and dancing, please feel free to join us. All of the information are in the description below. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so today we're gonna start with your left foot is forward, right foot is back, and then we're just gonna slightly bend your knees and then take your leg out. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Now on 1, you're gonna, as soon as you put the head up, you're gonna slightly lean backward, and then we're gonna make a fist and then bring your hands together, just like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after this, you're just gonna place the hands together and then face to the right, throw a little bit, and then take your chin up as well. And then bring your hands down. Next, place the left hand on your hip or to the hip side. Bring your right hand in front of your lower abs, and then we're gonna go up. Alright, from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. After place your hands on your side, you're gonna roll up from your hip, from your belly to your neck, and then we're gonna make a chest isolation. In. We're gonna go 4 times. Alright, from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then after this, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're just gonna pull the arms just like this. Pull your right elbow backward, place your left hand forward. Yes, pull, 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 pull. And then rock. Yeah. Lock your arms and then throw it. And then step back. Open your hands next to you. Good. 7. From the chest isolation. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull and lock. Throw. Open your arms. Good. And then we're just gonna walk forward, right, left. And then when you bring your right foot forward, place your right hand in front of your chest, slightly touching your left shoulder. We're gonna go wave. Wave, 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 wave. We're gonna go 4 times, but you don't need to make a big wave. You can just move your neck and chest down, 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 kind of feel the music. And then swim. Yes, bring your right arm and right foot, go all the way back. Yes, place your left hand in your hip, flip your right hand as well, and take your right heel goes out, out, out. Yes, we're gonna go 3 times. Out, out, out. And then left, right, stand up straight. Good. This is halfway through. Let's go through from the chest isolation. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull and lock and throw. Walk. Open your arms and then walk forward. Now wave, 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 wave. Pull, heel, 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 left, right. Alright, from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, throw, and 7, 8, and chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pull and throw. Throw, open your arms and walk, and wave, 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 up and down. Heel, heel, stand up. Good. In the count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, let's move on to the second half. After this, since we are standing up straight with the legs shoulder width apart, so after this, we're just gonna step to the left, step to the right, and step to the left. Good. Basically, your legs step to the left, and then switch to the right, and again switch back to the left. Good. Your arms, first place your hands in front of your chest, right hand comes forward. Good. Now take a fist and then bring your fist in front of your chest when you lean to the right. Good. And then again when you step to the left, point. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now after this, you're basically just gonna switch the legs. So point your right toe and then bend your left knee and extend your right arm. Make a fist, punch forward. Good. And then we're gonna go gradually wave up. Good. First, since we lean to the left, your body is also kind of lean to the left. But then as you're going up, you're gonna add the little wave and then move your body to the right. Good. From the beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then step forward with your right foot and open your left arm. Good. 8. Good. Now, next part is gonna be the most tricky part in this choreography. So I'm gonna break it down for you. After this, you're gonna step forward one more time with your left foot from here and throw it. Yes, basically you're just gonna throw. Yeah, make a fist and throw. So that once you throw it, you're just gonna step back, left, right, and slightly you can jump. Okay? Throw and left, right. Good. While your arms throw, you're gonna move your right arm up, down, up. Good. Okay? Open, step, right, left, right. Next, we're gonna go left, right, right. Yes, what did I do? After this, step with your left foot and then bring your right foot forward. Now step back with your left foot and then step your right foot back, and then at that time we are facing to the right. Good. Okay? Da, da, da. Now left, right. Good. You got it? 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right. Your arms, after this, when you step left, you're gonna take something off from your left shoulder with your right hand. Just leave your arms when you step right. And then when you step back with your left foot again, take something off from your right shoulder with your left hand. And then face the left. Face the right. Good. One more time. Open, throw, right, left, right. Now, left, right. Good. Now, once we get to facing to the right, you're just gonna make a fist and take your hip backwards, lean forward with your arms. Good. And then touch your right shoulder with your left hand, face front, and then face back with your right hand up. Good. Okay. Again, this is the most complicated part in this choreography, so don't worry, don't get overwhelmed. Okay, we're gonna go through one more time. Once you open, throw, right, left, right. Now, left, right, and punch and knee face back. Okay, let's go through from the beginning of the second half. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up and throw. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Good. A little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Good. Alright, we're almost done. After this, we're just gonna face front and lock. Good. 7, 8 on 1, we're facing front, and then on 2, boom, lock your body to the left, and then release. Good. So that you can step back from your right foot and push forward with your left hand. Good. Okay. 7, 8, and 1, lock and release, push, and now we're just gonna flip the hands and punch. Yes. After you flip, you're gonna point your right toe. Good. Flip and punch at the same time. Now the last stage is gonna be, you're gonna make a circle with your left foot and kick, switch to the right leg, circle, kick, one more time, circle, kick, circle, kick, and punch, and down. Yes, this is it. Okay, let's go through one more time from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, lock and release, push and flip, punch. Now legs circle, kick, circle, kick, circle, kick, circle, kick, and down. Good. All right, when you make a circles with your legs, you don't want to move your body so much, so you can slightly bend your knees and then make a circle, kick, circle, kick, circle, kick, circle, kick. Yeah, you can also use your arms a little bit, and then when you kick at the neck accent, kick, up. Okay, this is it. One more time from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flip, punch and circle, kick, circle, kick, circle, kick, circle, kick, and down. Alrighty, so let's go through from the beginning of the second half, and we're gonna put all of the choreography together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up and throw, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and punch and knee and back, 1, lock, release, and push and flip, punch, circle, kick, circle, kick, circle, kick, circle, kick, and down. Alright, we're gonna go through one more time with the counts, and then let's try with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, step to the left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Alright, let's try with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and throw, lock, up, walk forward and wet, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, step to the left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up, drop, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. Alright, thank you guys so much for dancing with me. I hope this tutorial will help you to get through this choreography, and if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know with the comments down below, and also don't forget to give us big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Thank you. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,